afternoon, evening, morning, whatever it is for you guys, man. Today was a red day. They told me days like this would happen, man. They told me. This is the biggest red day so far of the Apex challenge. 2 and out, man. 2 and out. 0 and 2. I took 2 break and retest plays, both of them. Ended up hitting stop loss. One of them was close to hitting take profit. Potentially should have gone break even at least, or taken some sort of profit on that one and called it, but I didn't. So shit happens. I'm gonna come back next week and hopefully have another good week. So let's get into it. Up into bar replay here. So pre-market came in, marked up some levels here. We'd been selling off for quite a bit, it looks like here, sort of long-term downtrend. But by the way, this is Friday, March 27, 2026. Came into market here, had this level here marked up, had this level here, this level, and this level. Market come down to 1 minute. Market opened up, shot right down through essentially these 2 levels here. In the first 1 minute candle, I was waiting for a retest. Another big push, bounced off this one. I was looking for maybe something like this. Didn't quite make it all the way up there, kept pushing. Boom, broke under, so now I'm thinking a break and retest like that. We ended up coming up to test it, started pushing, just thinking it might drop down right here. Really indecisive candle here, 640. Broke up, finally broke up and closed above our level. So now I'm thinking we might look for a fail and retest here, play to the upside. And on this candle, I got in as it started to push up for this fail and retest play. Targeting obviously 1 to 2. Turns out I should have really just targeted this level because it was close enough to our 1 to 2. And as you'll see, we ended up reversing. So it started off really well, pushed up, broke through these levels we had marked up, touched our zone. And as you see, we had a huge reaction here. Looking back, should have taken profit right here. It was close enough to our 1 to 2. And obviously price ended up reversing right here pretty hard. And I was still wide open, stop loss, hoping that maybe it would bounce back up, the worst case. And as you can see here, we got taken out right here. So minus 500 bucks on that one. So now at this point, was still looking to maybe take one more trade. And at this point, looking for another break and retest to the downside here. $7 o'clock now. Looking like a super textbook break and retest setup right here. So I hopped in, and unfortunately it just didn't have any follow through and took us out right there. And as you see, the whole morning session was pretty just choppy. Didn't have any real continuation, if you will. Just real consolidating movements this morning. It only actually ended up breaking and making a big move down in the afternoon session around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So that's how it goes sometimes. Choppy market today. Didn't catch any obviously plays that worked out. So I called it after those 2 L's and moving on to the next day, man. Still got the account up. We're only down to before this session we were at 100,895 bucks Now after those 2 L's of 500 apiece, so about 1,000, we're down to 99,806. So not a big deal. Hopefully we can catch some good moves next week and work our way back up towards our profit goal. So here we are. You can see our total profit now is minus 193 after those 2 L's on the second day and that almost 2-hour win on the first day. So essentially break even, slightly less than break even. See, we got 2 of our 8 trading days. Obviously still working towards that balance, so not too shabby here. Yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Peace. See you on the next one. See you guys Monday.